Get ready for a whirlwind of updates that are about to redefine how you interact with your world. The pace of change is accelerating, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out. We're bringing you the absolute latest, the most talked about, the game changers that everyone will be discussing. First up, we're diving into how your devices are getting smarter, with a revolutionary new feature designed to anticipate your needs and save you precious time. Imagine your phone proactively helping you with everything from travel plans to finding that one specific photo you need, all without you lifting a finger. This is not science fiction. This is the cutting edge of personal tech, and it's about to change your daily routine. Next, we're pulling back the curtain on the monthly updates that keep your digital life humming. Google is rolling out its latest system enhancements, and while some might seem behind the scenes, they are crucial for the performance, security, and new features across your Android devices. We'll break down what these updates mean for you, covering everything from account management and security to the new utilities and connectivity features that are rolling out. It's a deep dive into the engine that powers your mobile experience. Then, prepare for a story that bridges continents and highlights a striking contrast in everyday experiences. We're heading to America and India to explore a personal account that sparked a massive online conversation about the value of labor and the nuances of service. This tale of a simple cab ride reveals profound differences in how assistance is perceived and offered, prompting a reflection on gratitude and the everyday interactions we often overlook. It's a powerful look at cultural differences through a relatable, personal lens. And finally, we're unpacking the latest advancements in AI that are making our devices more intuitive than ever. We'll explore how new technologies are leveraging multiple data points to enhance resolution and deliver richer experiences. This is about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, making technology not just a tool, but a seamless extension of ourselves. Stay tuned for all these incredible updates and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Time-saving tech unveiled. Pixel's new AI feature intelligently anticipates your needs by linking information across your apps. This innovative tool, dubbed Magic Queue, aims to simplify tasks like travel preparation, locating specific information, finding photos, and updating your daily hub. The system works by proactively offering assistance right when you need it, reducing the manual effort typically involved in managing daily life. For instance, when making a call to an airline, Magic Queue can automatically display your flight details pulled from Gmail, ensuring you have all necessary information readily available. Similarly, when you open the Pixel Weather app before a trip, it can show you the weather at your destination, drawing data from your itinerary. It can even identify relevant outdoor activities from your calendar or emails, like a picnic or a sports event, helping you pack accordingly. Magic Queue also streamlines sharing information with others. If someone asks for details about a dinner reservation, it can retrieve the location and time from your calendar or confirmation emails and present it as a suggestion, allowing for quick sharing via messaging apps. The feature is also designed to help users find photos more efficiently. When a friend asks for a specific image, such as one from a park outing or a recipe screenshot, Magic Queue can understand the request and search your gallery, enabling you to share it without leaving your current conversation. Furthermore, Magic Queue integrates with the new Daily Hub, a personalized daily digest that surfaces reminders and upcoming events from your preferred Google apps. This ensures you have a consolidated view of your day. Importantly, Google emphasizes that Magic Queue operates with a strong focus on user privacy and security, utilizing the on-device Tensor, G5 chip, and Gemini Nano AI model. Users have full control, with the ability to enable or disable Magic Queue and manage app access. This feature is presented as a key advancement in making Pixel devices more helpful by saving users time. Public reaction has been largely positive, with many users expressing excitement about the potential for AI to simplify daily tasks and reduce the mental load of managing information. Tech analysts note that this move by Google signals a continued emphasis on-device AI processing for enhanced speed and privacy, a trend that could set new standards in the smartphone industry. But what exactly is powering these smart suggestions? Stay tuned as we explore the latest behind-the-scenes updates that keep your digital world running smoothly. And next, we're diving into the details of what's new in Android's August system updates. Android's August system updates detailed. Google's monthly Google System Release Notes provide a comprehensive overview of the latest enhancements across its ecosystem, including the Play Store, Play Services, and the core Play System updates for Android phones, tablets, Wear OS devices, Google TV, Android Auto, and PCs. These updates are crucial for maintaining the functionality, security, and introducing new capabilities to a wide range of devices. While the release notes detail various changes, it's important to note that not all features mentioned are immediately available to all users. Some capabilities are rolled out gradually over several months. The updates are categorized to cover different aspects of the user and developer experience, encompassing account management, developer services, device connectivity, system management, utilities, security and privacy, and wallet functionalities. For end users, these updates can translate into improved app performance, enhanced security protocols, and the introduction of new user-facing features that streamline interactions or add convenience. For developers, the updates often include new tools, APIs, or improvements to existing services that allow them to build better applications or integrate more seamlessly with the Android platform. Specific areas that typically see changes include account management, where login processes or security features might be refined, developer services, which could involve updates to SDKs or development tools, device connectivity, potentially improving how devices connect to networks or other devices, system management, which covers background processes and device optimization, and utilities, which might include enhancements to built-in apps or system functions. The inclusion of wallet functionalities signifies ongoing improvements to digital payment and credential management systems. Google often highlights that some features might be experimental or available only to specific user groups during initial rollout phases, meaning users might need to be patient as new functionalities become universally accessible. The overarching goal of these regular system updates is to ensure a consistent, secure, and evolving user experience across the diverse Android landscape, adapting to new technological advancements and user demands. These updates are fundamental to the health of the Android ecosystem, ensuring devices are secure and performant, and analysts often point to these regular updates as a key factor in Android's continued market dominance and user satisfaction. But it's not just about what's happening on your devices. Sometimes, the most striking insights come from unexpected comparisons. And next, we're exploring a personal story that highlights a fascinating cultural contrast between India and the US. Bridging continents through a cab ride. A recent experience shared by a Google techie commuting in America has ignited a significant conversation on LinkedIn, drawing a stark comparison between life in the US and India, particularly concerning the concept of labor and service. Kavleen Kaur Bakshi, currently a senior solutions specialist at Google, recounted her observations after spending a couple of weeks in the US. She detailed how, during every airport cab ride there, she found herself struggling with her heavy suitcases while the drivers remained seated. Bakshi understood the underlying logic. In the US, drivers are compensated for the driving service itself, not for additional labor like loading or unloading luggage. This system, while logical in its own context, stood in sharp contrast to her experience in Bengaluru, India. Upon arriving in Bengaluru, a cab driver, without being asked, immediately helped her load her 25 kg plus suitcases into the car. Bakshi, deeply touched by this unsolicited assistance and feeling too tired to do it herself, reached for her wallet to offer an extra rupee 200. However, the driver refused the additional payment, stating it was unnecessary. It took several attempts of insistence from Bakshi before the driver finally accepted the extra money. This act of kindness and generosity left a profound impression on Bakshi, leading her to reflect on how readily people in India offer their labor and how often such help is taken for granted. She shared that the experience served as a valuable lesson, reinforcing the importance of valuing and appreciating assistance, even in small, everyday interactions. The post resonated widely, prompting numerous comments and discussions. One user noted, "I never let drivers pick up my bags." They didn't sign up for that, highlighting a different perspective on the driver's role. Another commenter lamented the $6 fee for airport baggage trolleys, which are typically free in India, further emphasizing the differing service expectations. However, not all experiences were uniform, with one individual sharing, "My experience has been very different. I always load my luggage on my own, unless I'm unable to. In the last 5-6 years, most cab drivers I've requested have refused to haul up suitcases or even small bags." This indicates a diversity of experiences and service norms even within the same country. The conversation ultimately pivoted towards the broader theme of gratitude in daily life, with many agreeing that acknowledging and appreciating small acts of kindness can significantly impact individuals and foster a more positive social environment. This personal anecdote has sparked widespread discussion about cultural norms, service expectations, and the simple yet powerful act of showing gratitude, resonating deeply with individuals across different backgrounds. But sometimes, the most advanced technology is about more than just convenience. It's about unlocking new levels of clarity and detail. And next, we're exploring how cutting-edge AI is enhancing the way we capture and process visual information. AI enhances visual detail through multi-frame processing. In the realm of digital imaging and artificial intelligence, a fascinating development is emerging concerning the enhancement of visual resolution, particularly through the sophisticated use of multiple frames. While the exact methodologies can be complex and proprietary, the underlying principle involves capturing a series of images or data points and then intelligently processing them to create a single, more detailed output. This technique goes beyond simple digital zoom, which can often degrade image quality. Instead, it leverages computational photography and AI algorithms to reconstruct finer details, reduce noise, and improve overall clarity. Imagine taking a photo where the camera rapidly captures several slightly different versions of the scene. These variations, often imperceptible to the human eye, contain extra information about light, texture, and depth. AI models, trained on vast datasets, can then analyze these multiple frames, identify common elements and subtle differences, and synthesize them into a higher resolution image. This process is particularly impactful in scenarios where capturing fine details is critical, such as in scientific imaging, surveillance, or even everyday photography, where users want to zoom in on a distant subject without losing quality. The advancements in AI, specifically in deep learning and neural networks, have been instrumental in making these multi-frame processing techniques more effective and accessible. These algorithms can learn to distinguish between genuine detail and artifacts, leading to more natural-looking enhancements. The potential applications are broad, ranging from improving the clarity of satellite imagery to enhancing the detail in smartphone photos. The core idea is to overcome the physical limitations of camera sensors by using software and AI to see more information than a single snapshot can capture. This approach represents a significant step forward in computational imaging, moving towards a future where digital devices can capture and render the world with unprecedented fidelity, making the distinction between real and digitally enhanced imagery increasingly sophisticated and effective. This innovative approach to image enhancement is generating significant buzz, with tech enthusiasts and industry experts praising its potential to revolutionize digital photography and visual data analysis. These technological leaps are constantly reshaping our digital experiences, but what about the essential updates that keep everything running smoothly? And next, we're diving into the latest system updates rolling out across the Android ecosystem. That's all the buzz for today. We covered Pixel's new AI Magic Queue to save you time, the latest Android system updates for smoother performance, a compelling story comparing US and India cab experiences, and how AI is enhancing visual detail. Don't miss out on future updates. Like this video, subscribe to Google Trends Hub, hit that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social platforms.